Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Sandy if you're new, and today's video I am just going to be picking a winner. So this was from my video I did last Tuesday, February 11th, 2025, and it was kind of a little secret giveaway. And so let me show you what the winner's going to get. So first off, I'll get a little bundle of lace. So just some different types of lace that I have in my stash. Here's a yellow one, pretty yellow. And then here's this is vintage, cream colored. And then here's another really pretty, this could be vintage, but I don't know for sure. And then this fun little piece. And with these, I like to cut them or rip them in half. And they work really great. And then they'll also get a piece of this fabric. It'll be about 9 inches tall and about 12 inches wide. So perfect for like a single signature. So look at the fabric. And then also this whole little fun piece of different ephemera pieces. So here's some fun little food stickers. So this is kind of going in honor of this cooking up a journal collaboration that we're having with Jovi over on Jovi's channel. And I apologize for the light there. And then some recipe cards. These are a couple vintage recipe cards. And this one is almost vintage. And then a couple guest checks. And then here's a little beverage company form. They're all kind of food related. So these are some things, if you got Jovi's kit, then you can use these with her kit if you're making a journal. And here's a really cool label. This is a vintage food label. And then a few more recipe pages. I tried to pick out kind of a couple colors that might go with the kit. And then just some other fun pages to make tags or, decorate a journal page with. So you'll get all these fun little pieces. And then I also have a couple little digitals of mine that you will get as well. Nothing like Jovi's digitals, but they're still really fun. And then here, let me show you the lace now that I have the light a little bit better there. There we go. So I just want to say thank you to everybody for commenting and watching the video. And several of y'all have bought Jovi's kit, so that makes me happy. It's always fun to help out other creators. And I plan on doing another giveaway when I hit 5,500 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe and stick around for that. So I have the comment picker here, and so I've loaded up the video right here, and I have the comments added, and I've loaded them. There's 43 comments, and then I'm going to hit the start button, and hopefully this will work. Oh, so let me try that again. I had my responses in there. So, oh, there we go. Let's try that again. That's funny. I won my own giveaway. Okay. There we go. Got amount of count. There we go. That makes more sense. So let's try this again. We'll pick another winner. And the winner is Maggie Plank. Woohoo! Way to go, Maggie. So Maggie, I need you to email me at KentuckyCrafter1@gmail.com. And it's Kentucky Crafter, Crafter with a K, the number 1@gmail.com. And I'll list it down below. And I will get this off to you. So congratulations. And everybody, thanks so much. And make sure you stick around. I'm going to be doing another giveaway when I hit 5,500 subscribers. So, all right, guys, I will talk to you all soon. And I'm going to play around with my cooking up a journal some more, and I'll give you some updates and show you how my journal is coming along. All right, thanks guys. I want to say a big shout out to my patrons and my YouTube members. So thank you all so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.